Are you a carnivore or are you a carbivore? Look at this picture here. Look at these two guys. Which one are you? Be honest. And which one do you want to be? And the name basically says it all. If you are consuming 300, 200 more grams of carbohydrates total a day, you will eventually look like this guy over here, the fat guy. And with that comes a lot of medical problems and emotional problems and mental fogginess, a shorter lifespan, possibly type 2 diabetes, and on and on and on. You're more susceptible to diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. If you are a carnivore, or close to it if you don't want to go that far, you're this other guy over here, lean. You're eating foods that are meant for your human body, and your body responds by thinning out. And it's not just the weight loss that you see in these pictures. The thinner guy here is healthy. He has more muscle mass because you're eating protein. You're gaining protein, losing unhealthy fat, and this guy's less susceptible to diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This healthy guy is more prone to feeling better and younger. He wants to get out, he wants to exercise, he wants to do more because he feels great emotionally, physically, mentally. So I know this is a short video, but I just want you to ponder the difference between a carbivore and a carnivore. You don't have to do carnivore, you can just go keto or ketovore. The further you go on that spectrum to carnivore, which is I think ancestrally appropriate for our human body, the more you're going to look like this guy. All right. Sorry I don't have any pictures of girls. You get the point. I'm just showing the picture to make the point about carbs versus eating healthy animal products. Ladies and gentlemen, eat well, and you will look and feel amazing. Take care.